Sahi is the silent rock star.
Thank you. Thank you all for coming. We really appreciate you joining for Sahi's large party. Okay. We'll have again, as I said, it's going to be a short speak session here. We'll start with, I know, someone needs to ice break, right? It's tough to speak in front of Gidam Babisetti. Gidam knows Sahi, you know, from day one outside, right? So, Gidam, yeah, Sai is in the but you know, I'm sure there are a few things to share. Go ahead.
It's an honor and standard today to celebrate one of my best friends, Sahi. You know, I've known Sahi for as long as I could. Growing up together, we shared countless memories. We're spending weekends at sleepovers, staying up way too late watching movies, to watching each other grow through each stage of life. Looking back now, it's amazing to see how far we've both come, and I'm incredibly proud of the person Sahi's become. If I had to describe Sahi in a few words, I would say he's motivated, fearless, and one of the most laid-back people you'll ever meet. That's a combination you don't see many people nowadays. He works very hard towards his goals, but somehow he never lets the pressure change it. No matter how tough things get, he stays calm and keeps moving forward in life. One thing I've always admired about Sahi is that he doesn't back down when he faces a challenge. Whether it's taking difficult classes, chasing a goal that seems impossible, he approaches it with confidence. He doesn't wait for the perfect opportunity, but instead, he creates it. Watching that mindset over the years has motivated me and other people more than he's actually realized. At the same time, Sahi's a person who makes the people around him feel very comfortable. He's the kind of person who reminds you not to overthink, but to laugh a little more, enjoy life, and enjoy the moment. That's something rare that you don't see nowadays a lot. And that's one of the many reasons why so many people enjoy being around him. Now, Sahi is heading towards UW Accent to pursue a career in computer science. So if anyone is built for solving tough problems like Sahi, I've no doubt he'll make the most of every opportunity at Madison. And he'll make the best outcome out of each opportunity he gets like he always does. Sahi, thank you for being a great friend over all these years. Thank you for all the memories we've had, and thank you for being someone I can count on. And as you go this journey, just remember the same determination, confidence, and care you have brought you here, just carry you through it to the end. I can't wait to see everything you'll accomplish, and I know this graduation is only the beginning of the incredible future. Everyone, please join me in congratulating Sahi on this amazing career and actual president. Congratulations, Sahi. You are
I had a privilege to know Sahi ever since he was in, his mother is pregnant. And I also remember baby shower wedding for your mother. Right? And I saw him grow from infant to toddler to boy to the man he is now. And all along I have seen him that, he's multi-dexterous. He's good in sports, good in education, and other activities as well. Which is not very common. Not all people have another focus, but I found him is a very broad focus, which is good. While he does all these things, he enjoys his life as well. Good, very nice, I'm proud of him. Good. So, recently also he came first in our internship program, right, that we conducted in our, and we had 30 students. We did an epic internship and then he got first in that one. And he came first with a big margin, right? He has a mistake second. What it tells me is that, along with all other things he's doing, he's also very much focused on the business and entrepreneur things and everything. As he is entering into the computer science and engineering, my advice to him is to stay hungry, to stay foolish. While you enjoy your life, don't lose sight of your goal. Don't aim for a job, think big. Don't be nervous about making mistakes. Be prepared to pivot aggressively. That's what successful people do. And I'm sure he will be successful. And as he gets out of college, I don't see him getting into a job. He will be an entrepreneur by himself, joining some startup, being a co-founder or something. I see it definitely on the cards. And I also want to congratulate Kavya and Raj for upbringing such a wonderful child. I'm very happy for Sahib, Raj and Kavya.
Almost of run-up said Sahib, so I don't want to go back all the way to the beginning, but we all know Sahib from his chair. Infantry, we know him, we have been seeing him. Very, easygoing guy, and I always used to talk to Raj about his guy. Hey, how is Sahib? Because he's a big boy of our group actually. So we always look at him as a role model, so that people, other kids can look at him and say, hey, I want to do swimming in Sahi, I want to play tennis with Sahi, I want to do whatever the educational thing that Sahi does. So I always used to talk to us that, hey, Raj, how is Sahi doing? How is his GPA? How is his ACT score and all that. But I never imagined that, the time comes that Sahi moves sort of the whole into, college time. And I'm glad that he picked medicine, which is close. And I'm really proud that, we are really proud that, he made the choice. And I'm also worried he picked computers because most of the team out here, right, 80% people are working computers. And these grads coming out of the college are going to steal our jobs. So we all need to be careful about that. But I would really feel happy and proud to see Sahi coming from childhood all the way to the young man he is. And one thing that I want to tell you, competition, right? I mean, somebody mentioned about competition before. I never thought that Sahi is like challenging in sports. But recently, last 2 years, I have been playing tennis with him. Man, he picked up the game, and in one of the high school games, he crushed the top Wisconsin guy from, I don't know what school it is.
Yes,
Cedar Park. There was a 3-year grinding game, the tennis game that, he made sure the top seeded guy sweating, right? So, kudos to Sahi, kudos to, all the efforts that he put in. And I'm sure, he can achieve heights in his career. Like Venkat said, he doesn't have to look for jobs. He's going to provide jobs to people. I know Raj has a lot of vision, what his son wants to do. But his son has a lot of vision to see how Raj can retire soon. Right? So I know here, parents won't depend on kids, or kids won't depend on parents. But inherently, as an Indian father and son, right? I know Sahi wants to make sure Raj sort of his day-to-day job. He doesn't have to drive Tesla to office, sit at home, relax, maybe drink a beer, or maybe come out and play pickleball or tennis with his son, right? And I'm sure we will see Sahi more carrying his laundry from Madison every weekend, coming to Milwaukee and carrying his home-cooked food, right? He loves food, he likes, eat chicken. His mom doesn't cook chicken, but his dad does, right? His dad specifically cooks chicken for his kids. That's a proud parenthood, what I feel from Raj. And I feel like, those moments I want to see and, cherish. And also these are the footsteps for my kids too. Right? Everyone wants to follow some role model, and Sahi is going to be the role model. And again, congrats Sahi. And Madison, watch out.
He is more like a parent source. Sahi, it's so good to see you, bro. The other day when we were looking in the car, I saw all the pics out there. Small kids growing together, Ketangar, yourself, Aki, Shreya, and all of it. It's so good to see those pics. And it's so good to see you grow. Lax, Madison, enjoy the party. make sure you have fun. Get nasty people, enjoy. That's pretty much what it is.
Hey, congratulations, Sai. Congratulations, Raj and Kavya. Okay, so back in 2008, okay, so I still remember Dr. Lakshmi, she is 1 year younger than me, okay? So when I came here, like, I had to find someone, right? I mean, hotel, right? So I saw you right from the mail. The way, like, your values are right, the way you respect people, I'm really proud of where you are right. And that all last night at the Raj, really congratulations. Yeah, I wish you all respect for your future.
Yeah, I speak a lot away from mic. But holding mic and speaking is not my cup of tea, but I will try for my Sahi. I know him since he was in, before he was born. And I know, like, there are two things that I want to tell about. Those are my experiences that defines his character. One, he knows what he wants, he fights for what he wants, and whatever that he doesn't want, he won't take whatever it is. So those are the two things that I see in you. That is what you are. You fight for what you want, and then you don't care about what you don't want. Whether it be like we just grow with Raz and Kavya when he was like probably 1 month, right? We drove to New York. It's just 1 month, and throughout that 18-19 hours drive, just he cries when he's hungry. Like whatever the needs that he has, he cries. That was his way of communication at the night, like any other baby. And then quite rest of the time, like no crying anything. So that tells me he just needs what he wants, and if you give it, he won't disturb. Raz, I think, you know that. Right? And then like the same thing when we were in July 4th parade. It's again 4 or 5 years old, probably we were in the July 4th parade. Other kid is fighting for candies, but he wants something else. But when he sees that and when he did not get it, he ran almost like half a mile behind the truck to get it. Like that tells me like, he knows what he wants and he fights for what he wants. He runs for what he wants. I think that's what brought me to be here today. Right? So I'm really proud of it. Like seeing you how well you work so far, and I'm sure you'll be a great. You will be. I don't know if you're going to be an entrepreneur or employee. I don't know whatever you're doing. You're going to be a great. Continue with the same which I did there. Right? So I'm sure it is.
Hey everyone, Pramod Adani. I guess everybody said a lot of things, so I don't want to repeat the same thing. First of all, congratulations, Saeed. We all over here, most of Raj's friends, would agree that Raj is the rock star of Milwaukee. You guys agree? Right? How many of you agree? Right. Well, if Raj is the rock star, I know Sai is the silent rock star. That's what I title him because he never says anything, but I know he's going behind his dad, doing everything what his dad does. So congratulations again, and do exactly what Chendu said. Enjoy your time at college. Make sure you have a lot of girlfriends. Do not commit to anyone. That's most important, okay? All right.
I think everybody covered all the things about Sai here. One interesting tidbit I want to add is Sai is very good at rock climbing. I don't know how many of you here know that. So that's really good. I can't really do that. And the other thing is our music is pretty chill and relaxed. That's thing that I really like as a kid. It was hard to find kids. Congratulations again.
Great at the time, and we were on the bus talking in school. I didn't realize at the time that would be the beginning of a friendship that I am eternally grateful and want to be a part of. I remember thinking back then about growing up. I always pictured that for some reason, even when we were in high school, me and Sahi would still be riding our bikes, jumping on the trampoline, we called it the tram back then, and riding our ripsticks around the neighborhood. That obviously wasn't as chill as little me would have liked it to be. But even then, even with weeks or sometimes a month or two without seeing each other, I still know that the friendship me and Sahi have is special. Aside from our friendship, Sahi has tagged along with me and my family on several trips. And I can speak for my parents when I say that Sahi is like their third kid. Sahi made all our vacations so much more fun. From all the adventurism, the openness of trying new things, and my favorite, seeing and turn a little more Latino living with my parents, and maybe enjoying a little bit too much beef jerky. Congratulations, Sahi, and I can't wait to see what bright future is waiting for you.
Sahi, first, we want to say congratulations for your high school graduation. And like Sam said, watching you grow since it was the second grade and you in third grade, it has been fun and amazing. And seeing people become such good friends. Over the years, you've become much more than just Sam's best friend. You have become part of our family. From traveling with us and sharing holidays together, spending Christmas, you have created countless memories that we will always cherish. Like hiking until exhaustion. I was worried I had to send a helicopter to save you after 8 hours of hike. To singing Titi Me Preguntó in Puerto Rico and eating mofongo. So your character, humor, and friendship have made a lasting impact on all of us. Thank you for being such a wonderful friend to Sam and for becoming my extra kid. We're very lucky to have you in our lives and in our adventures, and we hope that keeps going on for our future adventures. Congratulations, and we are very excited of all the amazing things that are waiting for you. So keep strong.
Sahi, I promise I'll keep it short, then you're screen time for sure. Okay? I know it from the time when he was trying out with Tachi. For everyone, Tachi is pacified, we used to try to call it pacified. You know, Sahi, I want make mistakes. Make good friend, the sports teacher. Make memories. I think that's most important than. Okay? And whenever you need any help, any suggestions, don't call me, ask me. I do the same thing. Okay? Jokes apart, call me if you need anything. I'll at least tell you what not to do. Alright? Have fun, enjoy. Congratulations, and we're really proud of you. And please do call your parents very quickly. And your dad, please, he said, not a kid, die, but your mom. Okay? Alright.
I was thinking to talk about Sahi, about any mischievous things you did when you were a kid, but you were not really a mischievous kid. You were way mature than your age. So my perception is make good friends, great friends, and be a great friend. So that would really help. Congrats, everybody.
I'll probably go formal. Good evening, everyone. Congratulations, Sahi. As a proud mama, I'm happy here. I've seen you grown from the little boy to the wonderful young man you are today. I've always admired how sincere and kind you are, especially with all our grandparents, your grandparents. I rarely hear you speak Telugu, with anyone else, but whenever you are with them, you always do, and you do it with so much patience and respect. That says a lot about the kind of person you are. Yeah, we have few memories like going to movies, starting from Bahubali and those kind of stuff. I've seen you do Kumar with coming back home, you and dad working on math problems. The one fond memory is you saved my life. If you do remember, back in 2021 in nearby pond, you stayed calm. You were just growing up back then. You were not this big, but still you were so calm and you helped me out. Yeah, that moment speaks volume about your selflessness. Yeah, I have nothing much to say about it apart from that, but wish you all the best and enjoy your time in Madison.
Good evening, everyone. For those of you who don't know me, I am Sai's youngest aunt, Baba's youngest cousin. So most of you might not have seen me. And coming to Sai, I know Sai, everybody here like much older than me in age, and like they've given you a lot of good pieces of advice. But all I'm going to say is you're a wonderful human being, and I'm not waiting to see the kind of man you're becoming. And just to tell what kind of a person you are, I'm just going to narrate one small incident. So my parents were here last week. So my dad is Chakratata, he calls him lovingly Chakratata. So he was telling me, my dad was walking by in the neighborhood, and they're from India, obviously, so they're not familiar with the neighborhood. So Sahi was just driving by, maybe he was going to meet his friends, so coming from Pickleball, I'm not sure. But he just dropped mine, where my dad was walking, and he just made sure that he told my dad the correct address, and just told him, Tata, I'm sorry, I'm not able to spend so much time with you, so please go home safe, and then I'll come and see you. There was no need for him to do that, absolutely no need, because my dad has his own, he has diplomats, everything. There was no need for him to stop and do that. But that just shows the kind of person that Sari is, and I'm so proud of you, Sari, and yeah, just have fun, but do it responsibly, that's it. And we're all here, we love you. Not just in life, but even in your rock climbing, when you fall, we're all there for you. Cheers, thank you.
You know, I wanted to prepare so much. I wanted to take help of AI, and finally I decided if he talks formal, then he's going to say, yeah, whatever you did, you took help of AI, and that's what it is, right? But then I thought, okay, let's be going prompt, speak whatever comes to my mind. It's excuse me, hello. So it's with mixed emotion, I would say. I'm speaking here, standing here and speaking. I always wanted Sahi to go out to college, because in my life I went to university, Usman University in Hyderabad back in India, and what that university taught me was life lessons, right? I did not, my grades were okay, but I don't think I gathered anything academically from the university, but I made good friends. I learned how to deal with the people, how to talk to the people. Those are the skills, life lessons I learned in university. I thought same thing as, Sahi will go out to do that, but as the high school is progressing, as things are coming here, I felt a bit sad. Even I'm feeling a bit sad that he's leaving home, right? I don't want that, hey, you don't go to Madison or anywhere, stay in MSOE, right? MSOE is a good college, it's in town, you can stay in home maybe, right? But, here he is, he determined, as he actually said, determined to go to UWM from the day one. He got it to UWM, and I'm happy he's going there, and I'm proud of that. So, and one more thing, on Saturday, on Kavya Messenger Road, there are a couple of people, my grandparents, I think few people in this, in this place know my grandparents as well. They visited Milwaukee a couple of times. Back in 2007 when Sahi was born, in 2010. They're no more with us. I'm sure their blessings are there. They were doing good. proud looking at Sahi accomplishing there. My Tata Srinivasarao Uppala, my Mama Srishila Devi, they would be very, very proud of what you have accomplished. So, I don't want to give a lot of advice. He gives advice most of the times, which is, fair enough. I'll take it. So, but, few things. Keep learning the things, right? As Steve Jobs said, keep learning the things. You cannot do the task connected forward, but the task will connected, backwards. Okay? Do that. And not only technical skills when you're learning, learn the sound skills. Other day, he gave me an example. When you go to Chipotle, when the person is serving protein, just say thank you. Just that one gesture will give you extra protein. Right? So, that's a big skill, right? That people's skill matters, right? So the people's skills, right? Learn people's skills in addition to the, technical skills. And one last thing I would say, you haven't seen a lot of failures in your life. Okay, to be honest, as you step into the real life, you will see failures, right? You will see failures in career, okay? Be resilient, and you always have my back.
I know everybody spoke so much about Sahi. Only few words I want to say. For every kid, mother's love is always there. Sahi, we love you. We are going to miss you. Be the person you are, and the topmost. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. We love you no matter where you are, how you are, and keep calling us. And we are going to miss you. See you at home all the time. Yeah, love you.
Okay, dear Sahi, sir, congratulations. Today is a sad and happy day for all our friends, so especially me since we worked together and had a childhood together. You've inspired me in so many ways, and I will always continue to look up to you. I will miss you so much when we go to college. I remember all the things we would fight about, but also the things we celebrated together. No matter how many times I've said I hate you, I will always love you much more. You're one of the most amazing, annoying, and awesome people I know. I'm so proud of you, and you never gave up, and that's one of the biggest things I'll remind about you. Even though you won't be one away anymore, and I will always be one call away. I will never forget the days you drove me places, or the amount of times, I could rely on you. I will never forget the things you've done for me. I still remember the sleepover with our friends when we would play wall tag or headless horse. I thank you for all these wonderful memories I will cherish forever. I'm so proud of how far I came. Thank you for making my childhood so memorable, and I couldn't be prouder to call you my brother.
Thank you.
వదిలెక్కడికి వెళ్ళదు వేడికి చెందదు కోయిలా హాయ్ కోయిలా కోయిలా హాయ్ కోయిలా చక్కనైనా చిక్కనైనా చుక్కలాంటి కోయిలా చక్కెర లాంటి ఉక్కెర లాంటి ముక్కెర లాంటి కోయిలా చక్కనైనా చెక్కలేని చెక్కిళ్ళున్న కోయిలా ఎక్కడికంటే అక్కడికొచ్చి చిక్కుకుపోతా కోయిలా
बड़ी सहरीली अख मारे कमसन कमरिया साली एक ठुमके से लख मारे बिच्छू में रहना बड़ी सहरीली अख मारे कमसन कमरिया साली चिल्लम जलाने आई चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली पौआ चढ़ा के आई चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली पौआ चढ़ा के आई चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली पौआ चढ़ा के आई चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली पौआ चढ़ा के आई बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी तेरे अपने शहर वाले मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
हो मेरे नैना जुड़वा
బంతి చామంతి ముద్దడుకున్నాయి
మళ్ళీ బంజారం పెళ్ళాడుకున్నాయి
నిద్దరని సెలవడిగి ఇద్దరిని కలవమని
నిద్దరనే సెలవడిగి ఇద్దరిని కలవమని బంతి చామంతి ముద్దాడుకున్నాయిలే అబ్బని తీయని దెబ్బ ఎంత కమ్మగా ఉంది రోయమ్మ
అమ్మ నీనుందని బుగ్గ ఎంత లేతగా ఉన్నదే మొగ్గ
అబ్బని తీయని దెబ్బ ఎంత కమ్మగా ఉంది రోయమ్మ
వయ్యారాల వెల్లువా వాటేస్తుంటే వారెవా
పురుషుల్లోన పొంగవా పులకింతుస్తే ఆగవా అబ్బని తీయని దెబ్బ ఎంత కమ్మగా ఉంది రోయమ్మ ఓరయ్యో రావయ్యో ఆగడాల పిల్లోడ నాతో నీగడంత నీదేనే నా పిల్లోడా
ఎల్లు వచ్చి గోదారమ్మ ఎల్లా కిల్లా పడ్డాదమ్మో ఎన్నెలొచ్చి నెల్లు పూలే ఎండి గిన్నెలయ్యేనమ్మో కొంగు చాటు అందాలన్నీ పేరంటాలే చేస్తుంటే ఒలమ్మో రావమ్మో ఆగమంటే రేగేనమ్మ సోగాడు ఆగడాల పిల్లోడైన నీ ఓడు ఆగమంటే రేగేనమ్మ సోగాడు
రాజా రాయిటురా పని సాసు సా పని సాసు సా సగమమ్మ సగమమ్మ
అందాల అడబొమ్మ ఎంత బాగుంది ముద్దు గుమ్మ
అట్టాగా చూడకమ్మ కందిపోతుంది కన్నె జన్మ గుప్పులు దాటుతున్న గుట్టు గుప్పు మంది కవిస్తే కట్టు తప్పన
అందాల ఆడబొమ్మ ఎంత బాగుంది ముద్దు గుమ్మ
అట్టాగ చూడకమ్మ కందిపోతుంది కన్నె జన్మ
నాతో వచ్చే అత్తారింటికి
ताल पे जब झूमे बदन हिचकिचाना शर्माना क्या खुल के झूमो खुल के गाओ आओ आओ ये खुल के कहो It's the time to disco It's the time to disco कौन मिले देखो किसको It's the time to disco
दिल है मेरा दीवाना क्या कहता है अब घबराना क्या ताल पे जब झूमे बदन हिचकिचाना शर्माना क्या खुल के झूमो खुल के गाओ आओ आओ ये खुल के कहो
It's the time to disco It's the time to disco
आयो रे मारो ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना
रानो ने रानो रानो बम्बई की रानो रानो बम्बई की रानो रानो बम्बई की रानो रानो बम्बई की रानो ने रानो हाँ रानो गाजा तर रानो रानो नैना गंगानो
నాయమ్మ నా తల్లి నా చిరాబాబు బలిక నాయమ్మ నా తల్లి నా చిరాబాబు బలిక
అంటావా మావా అంటావా మావా
Shawty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my chamak chalo. Kaisa sharmana aaja nach ke dikha de. Ha meri hole aaja pari da gira de. Ha meri akhiyon se akhiyan mila de. Hum tu na nakhre dikha. Wanna be my chamak chalo. 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 Love you, Monica, baby, my Monica. Kitch kitch ma, Monica. Love you, Monica, baby, my Monica. Kitch kitch ma, Jum 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 jum, tak jum bata jum ba jum, tak jum 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 jum, tak jum bata jum ba jum.
तुझी कमर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे टेक इट टेक इट टेक इट टेक इट टेक इट
Hey you, I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. तेरे हाथ कभी ना आने माने ना माने कोई दुनिया ये सारी मेरे इश्क की है दीवानी अब दिल करता है हौले हौले से मैं तो खुद को गले लगाऊं शीला की जवानी I'm too sexy for you मैं तेरे हाथ ना आनी
तुझसे मन मंदिर में जिंगल बेल हो जाए तेरा हसीन चेहरा आहा मेरे लबों से निकला वहाँ ढूंढ गूगल पे जाके मिलेगा मजनू मेरे जैसा कहा पूरी पलटन के साथ लेके बारात बलमा ये तेरा नाचे डिंग 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 डिंग
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
हो मेरे नैना जुड़वा नैना
ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना मुकर्रर नाक मुका नाक मुका नाक मुका नाक मुका नाक मुका नाक मुका नाक मुका
ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತ ಮನುಷ್ಯಂದ ನಾನ್ ತೋಳ ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕ ಮುಕ ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತ ಮನುಷ್ಯಂದ ನಾನ್ ತೋಳ ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕ ಮುಕ ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕ ಮುಕ ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕ ಮುಕ
అని ఊరు వాడ అనుకున్న గాని మహారాజు నాకు నవాడు మాట పెడుసైనా మనసులో వెన్న రాయిలా ఉన్నవాడిలోన దేవుడెవరికి తెలుసును నాకన్నా సూసేకి అగ్గిరవ్వ మాదిరే ఉంటాడే నా సవే పత్తి పువ్వుల మరే సంటాడే నా సావే
Good girls like to party like the bad ones. Drop it down, shawty, let me bag some. Good girls like to party like the bad ones. Drop it down, shawty, let me bag some. Good girls.
दुनिया दी सुने दी ना बहरी जवानी मस्ती च मस्ताई जहरी जवानी दुनिया दी सुने दी ना बहरी जवानी मस्ती च मस्ताई जहरी जवानी रातों के इरादे से क्या बचना मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना
भाई बरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेंच लड़ाने जाएगी अरे बहन के इतना जेवर कहना तेज हवा से बच के रहना गिर जाए तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा ले
What झुमका What झुमका What झुमका पंखट पे आके सैया मरोड़े भैया and everybody blames it on Radha छेड़े हैं हमका नैया बेरी कन्हैया and everybody blames it on Radha
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਰਾਰਤ ਸਿਖਾਵਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੈਣਾ ਲੜਾਵਾਂ
اي والله ها فليبر دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة عندي لك رقصة قوية يا الحبيب اسمها الصبوحة خطبها نصيب مد يدك كنا بتعطيها كف وهز شتفك حيل خليك شديد عطني رقصة الفريسة زيد عليها شوي عندي بيزة حق المحتار اللي نعرفه صيده سويلي وقفة انا هيبة عيل سوي رقصة بياض يبلي واحد كرك يلا بياض طق سيارة بوليس يلا سولي رقصة ثانية رقصة البطريق ولا سبتة في مايا
يا فلان جلبي مشروب فريبي خايل هتنا ديوانا بيوا
मेरा दिलो पट्टा दी तीन मारा डीजे दिलो बटू डीजे दिलो बटू कैसे जरा कैंसी बटू बाक्स लगे डटू डीजे दिलो करू पीनी साउंड करू पैकेजी कोट्टनते ततरिलो डांस फ्लोर डीजे दिलो बटू डीजे दिलो बटू डीजे दिलो बटू पटन नामी दटू नाटू पूरा नाटू पच्ची मेरा बलागा नाटू बिच्चू कत्तिलागा वेरी नाटू
కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి నే గజ్జ కడితే నిద్రపోదు నిండు రాత్రి
సోగులాడి స్వప్న సుందరి నీ మడత చూపు మా పటేల మల్లె పందిరి రచ్చరాజ కుందె ఊపిరి నీ వంక చూస్తే గుండెలోన డీరి డిరిడిరి తూనీగా నడుములోన తూట పెట్టి తూపాకి పెంచి ఆమె తింగని చిట్టి మగ జాతి నట్ట మడత పెట్టి
మీద కడవ పెట్టి కదిలితేనమ్మా
కరిమబ్బు వరదబ్బు కన్ను గెలిపేనమ్మా
నువ్వు సిన్న సింధు మీద సిందేసి సెంగుమంటేనమ్మా
జింక పిల్ల పాదాలకు చంకు పుట్టేనమ్మా